Okay guys, just finished cutting a little sample piece here. This is some 3/4 inch birch plywood. This is an old key holder program I ran, I don't know, probably 3 or 4 years ago. The machine was cutting at 50 inches per minute at a depth per pass of 0.130 or 130 thousandths, or just over 1/8 of an inch. You notice at the beginning of the video I had the router back to the back and to the left, and that rapid move was 200 inches per minute. So all the rapids that it's doing in between the different cuts there is 200 inches per minute. The router that I'm using on this machine is a Porter Cable 450 compact router. Has a horsepower rating of 1¼ horsepower. The bit that I was using is kind of an old worn out up spiral 1/4 inch diameter bit. I've had that thing a long time, and I can assure you it's not like new, but it still did a good job cutting this. I did do a little bit of light sanding, and especially where I had the tabs are. You did probably notice in the video that the tabs I had for these little areas here in plywood, it wasn't thick enough, and it popped it right out. But fortunately it popped it out of the way, so it didn't hurt anything. So anyway, I just wanted to get on here real quick and talk about the machine a little bit, and I'm going to be cutting some more stuff here in a minute. I'm going to be cutting some HDPE, so I'll probably shoot another video of that. And also I wanted to talk about real quick the wood show that's coming up in a couple of weeks. It's the Woodworking Show. It's at Norcross, Georgia, and it's April 1st, 2nd, and 3rd. I'm going to be there for sure Friday and Saturday, probably Sunday too. I'm not real sure about that. I'll have to wait and see if I get a chance to go Sunday, but I'll definitely be there probably all day Saturday or Friday and Saturday. And I just wanted to kind of throw this out there. You know, I live about 45 minutes away from where that show is, so if there's anybody out there who might be interested and wanting to take a look at one of these machines, you know, just let me know, either through email or whatever, or meet up with me at the show and we'll talk about it. And I'll try to work out a time where I can, you know, if you want to come by and take a look at the machine, kind of test drive it, kick the tires, so to speak. You know, if you're going to be at the show, like I say, you're really only about 45 minutes away from here. So anyway, I just thought I'd throw that out there. So if you want to do that, just let me know and we'll work something out. Anyway, I want to thank all my new subscribers. Still getting a lot of new subscribers. I appreciate that very much. And I guess that's going to do it for this one. So thanks for watching.